Hanton Prize for Photography is awarded to one outstanding undergraduate student. Selected through a very competitive process, the recipient will receive $5,000 to support a proposed photographic project resulting in an exhibition during his or her senior year. The prize was established in 1999 by Roski Board of Counselors member Jan Hantman, current co-chair of the Roski School of Fine Arts Board of Counselors. As I mentioned, we do have the honor of having Jan with us this evening, so I would like her to please join me up here to present this year's 2013-14 Hanton Prize for Photography to J.B. Lee. JB is a BFA junior and he will travel to Jeju Island, South Korea to study professional diving of Korea. Finally, we have